Hey, it's Ronan Zagai, your accordion teacher with a February 2024 monthly challenge. This month's challenge is not a difficult one. There are multiple levels of complexity if you're a more advanced player, but this is a wonderful challenge for beginner players. We're going to be working on hand independence, just using our left hand. And I want you to be able to not think about your left hand. Part of the beauty of playing and what we've been doing with our monthly exercises is trying to remove the aspect of a song and just get into the comfort of your body and playing. It's a lot of esoteric things, but here's the monthly challenge. You're going to choose one chord. I'm going to choose a C major because it's really easy. You're going to choose one rhythm pattern. It could be a waltz, it could be a march, it could be an alternate bass technique. I'm going to choose a simple oompa, so bass, tone, bass, tone. I want it to be slow, and I'll slowly build the complexity of hand independence. So I'm just going to start with bass tone. Slow. Easy peasy. This month's challenge is to do that while looking around, while humming, while singing. That's the next level of complexity. I'll do that. So as I'm playing, I'm looking around, I'm speaking, trying to hum, doo-dee-dee-dee-da-doo-doo. This is on autopilot. I'm thinking about this, but while doing this, I can nod my head, I could speak, I could look outside, I could read a receipt, and I don't have to understand it, but this doesn't stop. This is hand independence. Seems simple, but it's not so simple. Next level of complexity. This could be very easy for some of you. Next level of complexity is to start doing this with your right hand while your left hand is doing that. We're not touching the keyboard. I'm just tapping my fingers. This is on autopilot. We could do this. Bum, bum. But really what I'm looking for in the next level of complexity is to start tapping different lengths. I have to close my eyes for some of the more complicated rhythms. And that's all. That's this month's exercise. I'd love for you to work on your hand independence. Beginner players, do this while looking around. More advanced players do this while speaking or humming. Could be a song. Ta-dee-doo da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da-da. Whatever it is that you do, level 3 players, more advanced players, try a more complicated rhythm. It could be a tarantella, could be a klezmer beat, could be a tango. Same kind of idea. I want to speak, and for this rhythm not to break. That's this month's challenge. I have a blog post about hand separation that I'll include as well. This is the foundation for bringing musicality to your songs. We can't be so fixed with playing what's written in the sheet music. We need for this to be free so that our right hand can play melody, and that's the next step. But for this month's challenge, I just want to see you start to work on your hand independence. Go on to the Accordion Love forums, Accordion Love students. You can submit your entry. Do that 6 times in a year. I'll send you an Accordion Love merchandise, a shirt, a hoodie. Do that 12 times in a year, and you get a special prize pack. Those of you that have been doing it for 2 and 3 years, there's the new Accordion Love pin that's over there that I'll send you as well. Those of you who are not Accordion Love students, feel free to do this exercise at home. Let me know if you have any questions. Thanks.